Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful top-tier trim, this 2013 Ford F-150 Platinum Edition 4-wheel drive. This is the ultimate truck. If you are looking for a truck, or if you're looking for a Ford, this is the ultimate Ford that you can buy. Amazing condition here, just stunning from top to bottom, starting with these Michelin tires, brand new all the way around on 20-inch wheels, Ford OEM. As you can see, the electronic running boards, the Ford EcoBoost logo, pearl white paint, just dripping in cleanliness. I mean, you can see that beautiful metallic there. See the F-150 logos in the headlights. Comes with fog lights, front receiver tow, an AOS system. As you see, the intercooler here for the turbo. So the 3.5 EcoBoost turbocharged V6. Super clean under here. No issues, ready to go. That beautiful front brushed silver grille matching the Platinum Edition brushed silver. Power folding side view mirrors on this one, low profile antenna. Comes with 4-wheel disc brakes, 4x4 trim as you can see. And then it comes with the nice saddle tan brown interior. So black with the wood grain trim, the dark wood grain trim. Sony surround sound system. All-weather floor mats. Two-tone brown black trim on the Platinum seats here. Power options include windows, locks, mirrors, seats, sunroof, power sliding rear window. Super clean dashboard, comes with the original owner's manual, charging port, plenty of speakers throughout, touchscreen stereo, navigation, dual climate controls, rear backup camera, CD player, Microsoft Sync system, dual cup holders, keyless entry, automatic transmission, USB connectivity, RCA connectivity, beautiful black headliner with LED dome lighting and map controls. Lights, and then the all-weather floor mats throughout the back. I mean, look at this amazing space back here. This is one large cab, and then this is a power sliding mirror or window, and then dual cup holders, center console armrest, perforated leather. You got the 110 back here with the 12-volt. And then you can see the Sony sub underneath, 700 watt. Absolutely gorgeous inside this interior. And then here you can see your heated seat function, power windows throughout. And then as you can see, the running board comes up nicely, no problems there. Beautiful spray-on Line X bed liner. Comes with a multi-function tailgate, soft open as well, and then moving this bar around for easy access up, so you can use this. And you can slide this out, and then you have a step, so you put the foot, the hand, easy step up in the bed. You can see that system there, very nice. Multi-function tailgate. Very nice system there. See the Platinum Edition, rear backup camera. Got the towing package, got the park sensors. Beautiful, no dings, dents, damages to the paint, small little chip. But man, look at these brand new Michelins. Stunning truck. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and your power fold. So the power fold, pull down. Both of them actuate there. In. And then push down again to fold them back out. Look at this driver's seat. It's like brand new condition. Absolutely stunning. And I like this touch here. That's very nice. Behind the driver's side here, we have our interior illumination. We got automatic headlights. Pull for the fog lights. Interval front wipers, turn signals, multifunction steering wheel for media controls, Bluetooth, cruise control, trailer brake function, 4-wheel drive, the keyless entry, everything properly working. Got that nice built Ford tough animation there. And then telescopic steering wheel for tilt and telescopic. Gets excellent fuel economy. Check engine light for emission system. Backup camera. Got the entertainment, the climate, the navigation. You just touch the corners here and you can go from system to system. It's all touchscreen stereo. Speakers sound amazing. The bass is unreal in this truck. Just really, really good. See, that works. Comes with HomeLink as well. Sunroof works. One touch automatic open. And then you got the HomeLink for the garage door opener. And the vanity mirrors are illuminated. And everything is properly working. This truck is ready to go. 193,000 original miles, but runs like brand new. AC's ice cold. Everything's working. Just the emissions for the check engine light, but there you go. You get this beautiful Ford F-150 Platinum 4-wheel drive. Don't miss this opportunity to get this $50,000 truck for not even close to that original MSRP. So come down and see us where we're keeping it so affordable even in these high used car prices. We're getting you some of the best vehicles you can find on the west coast of Florida. So come down and see us. You can find this beautiful 2013 Ford F-150 Platinum 4-wheel drive exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.